are you, my students? How's everything? Are you okay? Okay, nice. Now, today we are on the way to see such kinds of questions as a worksheet. Nazima, the given words under column A with their meaning under column B ነው የሚለው ይኸው ይነበባል። Just you can do it. Now the second instruction, choose the opposite of the underlined words. የነዚህን opposite words የተሰመረባቸውን ተቃራኒ ቃላት ምን ማድረግ ነው? መምረጥ ነው። ሚኒንጋቸው ተቃራኒ ቃላት choose the opposite of the underlined words. Number 1 hesitates, number 2 like, number 3 will, and number 4 responsible. ይሄው responsible ለሚለው A take care, B not giving care, C honesty, D active ነው የሚለው። Next one instruction 3 እዚህ ጋር ስትመጡ choose the correct answers which is grammatically correct ነው። choose grammatically correct sentence ነው። he can blank Arabic very well ነው የሚለው ምርጫው ይነበባል። ይኸው Aster does her assignment by blank herself, itself, themself, ourself ይላል። እዛ አራተኛው ደግሞ coffee blank in most parts of the Ethiopia by farmers is ground or ground grouse grew ነው የሚለው። next question number 5 okay አምስተኛው Alex broke the glass. This is the same as the glass was broken, the glass were broken, the glass is broken, the glass has been broken by Alex. The glass has broken by Alex ነው የሚለው። ኦኬ ስድስትም እንደዛው ይሄው they belong play piano when they were children were children you can was able to were able to see can D will. Okay, next one question number 7 could you tell me the way to the airport? Customer why belong of course comma it's straight ahead. B we like the town center. C she visited the town center. D no I have some information. ስምንተኛው are you blank to understand the homework? can able C could D may. ዘጠኝ could we stay here here no for a few minutes say please ነው የሚለው ሀር የሚለው አይሆንም Here, could we stay here for a few minutes, please? Why? Blank. Refusing permission. ከዛ በኋላ ምርጫው ይነበባል። Answer which one is simple past passive sentence. The snake is killed. The key is found. Our next one question number okay C ምርጫ C chocolate was eaten. Rice has been ground by Chinese. ከዛ የመጨረሻው rearrange ነው። rearrange the jumbled words to write correct sentences. እዛ tied እዛ up አለ እዛ the room was no blah blah you can see እነዚህን ሪአሬንጅ አድርጋችሁ በደንብ ሰርታችሁ ትመጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። በደንብ ስሩት። just you can practice, keep it up to practice. ask your friends, ask your parents, ask anyone that he knows me. የሚያውቀውን ሰው ጠይቁና የሚገባው የሚመለከተውን ሰው ጠይቃችሁ በደንብ ሰርታችሁ ነው። ጓደኞቻችሁን ጠይቃችሁ አብራችሁ ተባብራችሁ ሰርታችሁ ነው። እንወዳችኋለን። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። መልካም ቀን ይሁንላችሁ። ሰላም አሉ